So a couple of years ago, remember the GSX 125 we had? Yeah, so a couple of years ago, James rang me, he goes, "Here mate, I sold the GSX 125. I said, "Well, it doesn't actually belong to us." "Oh, never mind that. But yeah, I bought an MT10 engine and a CRF 450.
We're not bringing that up again, are we?
Where is it?
Where is it?
Where are we building it?
Where does everything go in my life? Goes into storage, doesn't it? It all comes out of storage, but it's just not coming out at the moment in time. We're getting closer.
Okay, I want to see it.
I got 3 jobs hanging over me. Once I got the 3 jobs out of the way, then it can come in.
Okay.
And it'll be done over a weekend.
Okay, sweet. Just going through some of James's classics, and I bump into
Me.
Why
Why yourself? Happy New Year, viewers.
So we're just admiring this beauty, and you've got a story to tell. Go on.
I do. This is Suzuki's GT250 Ram Air, I think. I think it's got its Ram Air cowling removed at the moment, so it's slightly less sexy. Yeah, and I've got some specific memories of this bike. A mate of mine who owned one loaned me it for my bike test. Anyway, it was a horrible...
Hang on, someone you knew loaned you... They obviously didn't know you that well then? Because obviously, back in the day you were a bit of a hero, weren't you?
Well,
you're still a hero now.
Let's not give anything away just yet. We can probably talk more after I tell you this story. Anyway, I've got some specific memories of this particular bike because on this here bike test, I managed to crash at the feet of the examiner when he asked me to do an emergency stop. And the funny thing was, is that, you know, I got to my feet, picked the bike up and said, well, there's not much point carrying on. No, please continue, Mr. Moss. And then strangely, about 15 minutes later, he said, I regret to inform you that you have not passed your test. No shit, really? And therein was the start of my, how shall we put this, crashing career, yeah. I crashed a Nikon, and I mean, you have to be going some. You have to try hard
to
crash.
The uncrashable bike.
Exactly. Yeah. I was describing it as the uncrashable bike on camera about 15 minutes before I completely
Did you crash that after we talked about that crash video? Did you talk about, was that...
No, before. I should have mentioned it. I should have mentioned it.
Yeah.
Right, dude?
How are you?
I'm alright,
yeah.
Just a cup of coffee.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you can't drink coffee, can you?
No, I'm caffeine intolerant.
No. And intolerant of other things as well.
Yeah.
Begins with a C.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Rhymes with Jeremy Hunt. Yes. I'm going to give the old girl a bath.
You're going to wash her?
I'm going to wash her, yeah. You've got some real nasty TFR, real sort of like rot your face. That's the kiddie, is it?
If you get this,
what's
not pink grapefruit, get no illusion, right? Don't get it in your eyes.
No, I won't. So that's the same as that, is it?
Yeah, it's just diluted 50%.
Okay.
Right.
So water first.
No.
Straight on.
Put this straight on.
Really?
Let it go for 10 minutes.
Really?
Have a little agitation with a brush.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm scared about that.
You want to go for it, didn't you?
Okay. Well. Okay. Really? It's not going to. Really?
No.
I mean, I'm not
me.
precious over it, but.
Trust me. No, it'll be fine.
Okay.
It'll be fine. So you're going to do that.
Then we're going to change the tyres and paint the wheels.
Woo!
And really set to work on the old girl.
Really lift her.
Yeah.
From the doldrums that she's in.
Yeah.
Crack on then.
Right, my baby, it's bath time. And just like that, we've added another 500 quid to the asking price. Look at it. Absolutely mint, young'un. Right up there. James, have you tried these?
Ooh.
Have you tried one? These are the nuts.
We had one of these before. It's like a what's that well-known crisp? Once you pop,
you can't stop.
You just can't stop.
Let's get stuck into those, shall we?
Let's rip the outer covering off and get into the goodness that is.
Go on, well, you can have one now. You'll have one now, yeah. No rations, no.
There's none left, they're all gone.
My God. If you haven't tried these, girls and guys, then get on it, because these are possibly the best ever biscuit ever.
How many preservatives are in
there? Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
I can't read it anyway. It's just a blur.
Go on, Will, get in there. That's it, that's my right then.
I'm going on the other one.
So what have we got here then, Ricky?
A pain in my side.
Happy New Year, Derek. Happy New Year.
And to you and all your crew, thank you very much.
Everyone's been asking after you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good, lovely job, thank you.
It's a BSA.
Yeah. Yeah. Spitfire.
Spitfire Special Mark III.
Right. Is it?
Formerly known as a pain in my side.
Anything with twin carburetors are always a problem if they're not quite right.
Oh.
And it's a job to sort the darn things out. So,
Well, was it a case of if it's got two carburetors, it must mean it's better, or is it a case of, in my thinking, two carburetors double the trouble?
that's a bit more like it. As long as they're perfectly all right, there's no problem. But when they start playing up, it's a job to sort out.
Yeah, we are dealing with
Idiots.
pattern carburetors.
Oh. There was quite a few comments about the XT. Boom. Should we get it out?
We can get it out.
Get it right
It's
out.
a rarity, mine.
It is.
It's a rarity. I don't think you
people
would have
wanna see
seen
it.
another one in your lifetime.
I wouldn't, no. My dad had an XT 350.
Yeah, but it's not a
Common as muck
550.
they were. Common as muck. Common as syphilis.
Yeah, or a 3-day-old festival.
You still haven't recovered from that, have you?
I'm on day 2. Day 2. Yeah, we get it out.
Yeah.
Give me 2 minutes.
Right.
I'll get it out.
Bye. Here she is. I mean, you don't have to be a lover of enduro, off-road or whatever to appreciate this classic. I mean, give us a rundown, Rick.
XT550, a 2-year only bike they made. 82 and 83. Not very many in the UK. This came from Italy, but 5,959 kilometres on it from new. I wasn't looking to buy one. It just popped up and I thought, I'll have that.
You've got to have it.
So I bought some genuine Yamaha grips. And
It's
just
the little things. They don't,
genuine Yamaha
Yeah.
footrest. You know, it's not 100%, but it's as close as I can get it at this moment in time.
You've ridden it much? You don't ride, do you?
Well, I went all the way down to there,
Did you?
and then I come all the way back. It was an amazing journey. Next time I
It
do
didn't
it,
seize.
no, I'm going to take some sandwiches next
Oh, yeah.
time and have a picnic on the way. Oh, steady, lad, steady. It's got a dual carburetor on it.
Oh.
So,
We're just talking
as a
about duals.
normal carburetor in here, Yamaha,
Dual injection system.
dual lift, something, whatever. Someone will know about that,
Yeah.
and they're bound to tell us. Anyway, so you open the throttle up and you use this carburetor this side,
Yeah.
and when you whack it on the start, it's got a cam in it, the other carburetor opens up.
So it's like a secondary butt
Yeah.
side.
But you know the other thing is,
Way ahead of its time.
these are 92 mile an hour top speed.
Really?
92!
This is Chris. He's a 44 teether. Chris won himself a BMW S1000R with our official competition partners at Apex 66. You can be like Chris too by going to the Apex 66 website and bagging your tickets for the upcoming prize draws. Be more like Chris.
Hang on. No.
Oh! I won't put this bit in. Go on, baby! Oh, he's off! Go on, go on. Go on, go on.
Skid her out, mate!
So Rick, this Derby, this is a bit of a bike close to my heart. This was actually crashed and owned, kind of, by my compadre at Fast Bikes magazine, Mr. Andy Beaky Saunders, and somehow it's ended up in here.
I think it's always lived here.
Is it?
Well, it was here for years, wasn't it?
Of course, because you did the insurance. You were supposed to do the insurance job on it, didn't he?
Yeah,
So Beaky crashed it, or he got taken out or something, didn't he?
well, I think he claimed he got taken out, but I think he just crashed it.
Yeah.
Just nailed it too much. And yeah, it's a bit of an oddball bike, and it being a derby, whatever they call
Mulhassan.
it. Mul.
Yeah.
Don't Don't very often see them, but
No.
they're all right there. But yeah, good little thing. Yamaha engine.
Yeah.
With Italian styling.
Yeah.
And this, bear in mind, this was not a road bike like this. And
No, this is.
we just turned it into like a sprinter.
It was a
for
flat
somebody,
tracker, wasn't it? Flat tracker
Yeah.
kind of trail bike, and then now it's a sprint bike.
which is now going to go back on the road.
Oh, nice.
But it's still only done less than 1,000 miles.
Show us your growler. Do you want some pillows to hide your boners, boys?
What do you say?
Do you want some pillows to hide your cases? Because this thing is gleaming. What do you reckon, Mossy?
Is it, looks all right to me.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You like a bit of that?
You have told me what you're about to do with it. I mean, it'll be good. It'll be good footage, but
It'll be good.
whether you'll enjoy it at the time,
Well,
I think it will be incident packed.
no pain, no gain, mate.
Yeah. He
look at
said
it.
from a hospital in Marrakesh.
No, don't. But look at it. Like, just one little clean.
No,
Honestly, it's
looks
put
not bad.
500 quid on the job, isn't it?
How many miles?
A snippet, 1819? Got there in the end.
We'll be going to Morocco if I can switch it on.
19,956. A snippet,
Not bad.
1,900 quid.
Is that all?
Yes.
What a bike for that.
It's a lot of bike.
What have you had to do to it to
Nothing.
make it look this fine?
Nothing at all. I mean, if I look at it, it's an ex-track bike. It's been down the road. I shortened the exhaust because that was like, it was full length, but it was fucked.
Yeah.
And that's it.
There's a lot of motorbike for £2,000 there.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Oh yeah.
Does it start up and go through the gears and stuff? Well, that sounds all right. That does sound quite nice.
Got a bit of a hole down there
this is
somewhere.
the border.
Yeah.
That is bloody. That's lovely.
It's being wrapped.
Oh, is it just
Yeah.
right? What colour?
I can't say, Mossy. If I'll tell you now, I'm going to cut this bit out with the silver and pink on it.
Yeah.
That's the kind of vibe we're going for. Yeah.
What do they do? Do you have to give them all the bodywork?
No, they'll take the bike down.
Yeah.
They strip the bike down. The fine folk at Boss Dog strip the bike down.
Yeah.
Take all the bits off and then wrap it, and put it back together again.
And what's the turnaround for that? A day?
It should be, but given the intricacies and
Yeah.
I mean some of the bodywork is a little bit.
So can you have Pamela Anderson on the side if
You
you
can
want?
do if you want, yeah.
In fact, can you have her?
I could have your face.
Sorry.
in the front of
Can
it.
you have her just there?
You could do, yeah, with a mouth wide open.
What, with her head facing this way? Derek, you're not. Listen, you're an extra in this production. You haven't got a speaking part.
I thought you two would be like banged up in a cell from causing GBH to one another by now.
Now today we've got on, haven't we?
Yeah, go-
But I'm not going home for 15 minutes, so.
How many Jaffa cakes would it take to gag someone?
I think you could do it at one.
It has to be a big Jaffa cake. No, I think you'd be looking at around about 10 Jaffa cakes.
No.
Would gag you.
No.
Chubby bunny
There's Jaffa cakes inside. Shout out to I think his name was the Mank Biker. I can't remember, but he dropped this the other day, and we were he was filmed. He had a helmet cam, he had a head cam on, didn't he?
Yeah.
Snide, you got to watch them.
He had a snidey little cam on.
Yeah,
It's a bit like a polished turd, isn't it?
that's very unkind.
Well, look at it.
No, it's lovely. I can't believe what a deep clean, some TFR and some WD-40 has done. I mean, it's just gleaming. Yeah, exactly.
What's going on here? This isn't standard Yamaha finish.
I think it's had some paint on that, hasn't it?
I think you've had a Billy Bad Boy bodger on there.
Do you know him?
No, but he gets about a fair bit though.
He does. I'm not sure if the viewers can see that, but it's not.
That's like a proper aerosol. Go on, titivate
Yeah.
that right. I'll put 20 quid on that job.
Well, it's put 500 quid on the price for cleaning it, but it's taken 20. So we're at 480 quid we are now. It's not bad, is it?
That looks like someone's just had a skinful and vomited on it. Like a proper belly vomit. And you get like you got a load of peas, you've got your sweet corn, and it's all going to come up in clumps of bread. Right,
That was a very random day at JHS Racing. I have plenty more of these, so if you want to see more, let us know. But that was just sort of a few hours crammed into one video. Unfortunately, ran out of time. Couldn't do the wheels on the R1, but I will do probably next week. and really set to work on the old girl because we're running out of time. So, right, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.